Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will learn how to add activity in Primavera P6. For this, first of all we will open our project and WBS. I will go to project ID or project name and go to open project. Now the project is opened before us and now we have to add activities. First of all, we will select the WBS civil engineering work. I will go to civil engineering work and then go to add and I will enter the activity name. First of all, we have to select activity ID. Here the activity ID is A1000. So I am going to reduce it to A10. The next is activity name. The first activity for civil engineering is marking or leveling of the site. So I will enter leveling. Now I will press next and it will come under WBS civil engineering. Next, and the activity type is start milestone. Next, and each activity can be assigned project expenses. We will do all of this later and I will again click on next and we have created our first activity. Now again go to civil engineering and add. We will add another activity. Now the activity ID code changes to A10 to A20. The next activity under civil engineering WBS is to mark the ground. So marking of ground. Press next and WBS civil engineering. After that it will be a task dependent. First we will level the ground. After that we will start marking. So it is a task dependent and after that next. Now we have to assign resources. So we will assign the resources later and I will press next and its duration and unit. For this I will select fixed duration and unit and again enter next. High labor units, high non-labor units, high duration units. I will enter next and finish. Now we have created two activities and add. Now the activity ID is changes to A30 and the new activity name construction of boundary wall now press next and it will come under WBS civil engineering work. Next, it is a task dependent. First of all we will level the ground and marking of the ground is dependent on leveling of ground. Similarly, construction of boundary wall is dependent on marking of ground. So I will press next, and so I will go to the WBS mechanical engineering work and click on add, and we will add activity A60, and activity name will be boring. For boring for pumps. After that, I will enter next. I can change activity type to start milestone, because boring and installation of pumps can be started beside civil engineering work. So I will choose activity type as start milestone. After that, I will press next and finish. Activity table, and here we can see that there is a table of activities, and if we want to add any other detail on this table or any other column on this table, then simply simply click on activities and go to columns, and from columns we can enter available options for activities such as activity steps, cost, dates, duration. Here we have activity ID, activity name, original duration, remaining duration, schedule complete, start, finish, resources, budgeted cost, and total float. So we have multiple options there, and available we have finish, start, schedule, original duration, activity name, and total float. We can add any of the available options and rearrange it. So I think the available are enough, so press OK. So this was the method to add activities in Primavera P6. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can get notifications of our incoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.